When you're considering buying Loop Media, there are 7 things you absolutely need to know before you commit. Whether you're new to this software or you're trying to decide if it's the right fit, I'll break down the key points that will help you make an informed decision and avoid any potential pitfalls. Make sure to watch until the end because I'll also reveal a way to try out Loop Media for free, and you'll want to know how to get the best deal for it. First up, Loop Media is designed to help businesses manage and distribute digital content across multiple platforms. Unlike some competitors, it's not just a content management tool. It integrates easily with your existing marketing strategy, making it a powerful solution for businesses that need to distribute media at scale. It's designed to simplify and streamline your digital media workflows, saving you both time and money, which is something many of its competitors struggle to do effectively. Next thing, one of the biggest advantages of Loop Media is its cloud-based infrastructure. This gives you the flexibility to access and manage your media from anywhere, at any time. Whether you're in the office, at home, or on the go, Loop Media ensures that you can maintain full control of your content. This is especially valuable if you compare it to competitors like Adobe Experience Manager, which, while powerful, often requires more technical know-how and doesn't offer the same level of ease for remote teams. The third thing you should know is how Loop Media handles integrations. Unlike some software that forces you to adapt your workflow to their system, Loop Media offers smooth integration with a variety of tools and platforms, such as Google Analytics and social media channels. This allows you to measure the performance of your content in real time and make adjustments as needed. It's a more holistic approach compared to competitors like Widen Collective, which can be more cumbersome when it comes to connecting with external tools. Next up, let's talk about user experience. Loop Media is designed with an intuitive interface that makes it accessible for teams of all sizes, even if they don't have a dedicated IT department. It's an easy-to-navigate system that minimizes the learning curve. Some competitors, such as Bender, may offer advanced features, but can be overwhelming for smaller businesses or those just starting out. Loop Media's simplicity is a major strength in this case. The fifth thing you need to know is its media organization features. Loop Media offers an organized structure for storing and managing your digital content. You can easily categorize your assets, making it quick to find what you need when you need it. This is a significant improvement over competitors that sometimes struggle with sorting media, forcing you to rely on cumbersome manual systems. Now, let's talk pricing. While Loop Media offers some excellent features, it's also one of the more cost-effective solutions in its category. You get a lot of value for the price, which is an area where competitors like Canto can be more expensive without necessarily offering a better ROI. If you're looking for affordable yet powerful content distribution, Loop Media should be on your radar. And the seventh thing you need to know is the customer support. Loop Media has a dedicated team available to help you with any issues, whether it's setup or troubleshooting. While many other platforms provide decent customer support, Loop Media goes a step further with personalized assistance. They don't just leave you hanging after the sale, which is a real plus for businesses that need that extra level of care. If you're interested in trying out Loop Media for yourself, you can click the first link in the description to get a free trial and enjoy exclusive benefits. Trust me, it's worth checking out, especially if you're looking for a platform that can scale with your business needs without breaking the bank. Remember, Loop Media might just be the solution you're looking for. To get the best free trial, click the first link in the description and give it a go.